This is a beach where you better pay your parking or you can pay up a hefty fine. I'm not playing around. Big rollers. Towing a shortboard. I do not yet know if it is shortboardable. Woo-wee. I have not surfed this SUP with the bite mount yet. It's a great day for it. We got some action on the outside. I saw Garrett out there connect outside to inside. Don't know if it'll be possible on this potato chip of a SUP, but you know I'm gonna try it. A little early morning surf set. A little 7 a.m. tea time out here on Lake Michigan. Here it is. What a gift. I think some people are just having a regular Monday morning. What? How valid was that wave? Walking off this one. Oh, that felt nice. Looks like a bomb behind this. Not gonna get it. Surfed for a few hours yesterday for the first time in a minute. Man, my ribs are sore. He gone. Dude, I'm about to play on that. Wow. All right, we are on the far inside. Couldn't even call a short break. There it is. Yo, I think that's it for the shortboard today. Have a great day. And never stop chasing. And don't run your fins into the sandbar or to the sandy shore.